Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Is the iPhone 7 Plus worth to buy in 2021? Let's find out. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to tell you whether you should buy the iPhone 7 Plus in 2021 or it is just a waste of money. Coming right now. First of all, let me tell you when this flagship phone of its time was released. Well, the iPhone 7 Plus was released along with the iPhone 7 on September 16, 2016. So it's basically a 4-year-old phone by the time of recording this video. Now, first of all, coming to the design. So as far as the design is concerned, the iPhone 7 Plus design is amazing with its two cameras on the back and its aluminium finish. It does not look outdated or an old phone, though it is still a 4-year-old phone. Feel of the phone is premium, aluminium on the back and glass on the front. Although you still got to see the fat head and chin on the front side, but it's still okay. Its button placement is same like the phone of its previous generation, like the iPhone 6, 6s, etc. Power button of the phone is on the right side, volume up, down and mute switch on the left. Speakers and a lightning connector are on the bottom of the phone, though you don't see any USB-C port, but hey, even the iPhone 12 Pro doesn't have the port, so it's okay. Now coming on the display of the iPhone 7 Plus, so you got a 5.5 inch 16:9 Retina IPS display. Now the display is good but not as good as OLED display because the iPhone 7 Plus has a LCD display. The display however supports full HD resolution videos, and to be exact it is 1080 by 1920 pixels. You also got your Touch ID sensor on the front, which is also your home button. Apple added a second gen Touch ID scanner, so it's really fast in unlocking your phone and highly secure. And the home button is not a physical button anymore. It uses haptics to give you the feel that the button is being pressed, but again it is not a physical button. Now for the speakers, you got stereo speakers with the front earpiece acting as a secondary speaker, and honestly it's not that bad. It's actually quite better in sound as compared to the iPhone 6s. Now as far as the specs are concerned, this 4-year-old phone is still very powerful in 2021. On paper it has Apple A10 Fusion chip, which is quad-core 2.34 GHz and has 3 GB of RAM and Power VR series plus 6-core graphics, so it can easily do multitasking without any lag or jitter. Now coming to the power section of this phone, it can easily most of the games and tasks easily due to its 3 GB of RAM. Obviously it can compete with the iPhone 11 or 12, but still it competes very well in terms of performance with other smartphones of 2020. Here is a Geekbench score, and as you can see its performance is normal but obviously lesser than the iPhone 11, 12 and the iPhone 8, but pretty much good as compared to the iPhone 6s. Now playing games like PUBG in HD graphic works perfectly on this phone, and there is a little heating after 1 to 2 hours of continuous gameplay. Nonetheless, the game still doesn't lag and keeps on going and going. However, the battery may be affected, which takes us to our next section of this video. Now the iPhone 7 Plus won't give you a lot of battery timing as compared to a new iPhone, mainly because this is a 4-year-old iPhone and battery lose their age as time passes. So the battery timing will differ according to the health of your phone. My personal recommendation is that to spend around $40 to $50 to get the battery replaced with a new one, and your problem will be solved and you will get much better battery timing as compared to the one which is around 4 years old. Now the iPhone 7 Plus came in 32 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB variants as far as their storage is concerned. Now I would recommend you to buy at least the 128 GB variant or the above one, now because 32 GB won't be a lot and you're going to be running out of space sooner or later, trust me. As far as cameras are concerned, you won't be disappointed by the back cameras of the iPhone 7 Plus. It has a 12 megapixel f1.8 wide camera along with a 12 megapixel f2.8 telephoto camera, meaning that you can zoom in 2 times without losing any quality both in photo or video. Although in my personal usage I didn't find the portrait of the iPhone 7 Plus to be that much good. If you're more into portraits, you should look at the iPhone 10 or above models of the iPhone. The back camera can record a 4K video up to 30 fps and slow motion at 720p and 240 fps. Both the back cameras have optical image stabilization, so you will get a steady video. For the selfie camera, you got a 7 megapixel f2.2 camera which takes decent shots. For low light conditions, the iPhone 7 Plus ain't that good. If you're more into low light, then you should go with the iPhone 12. As far as future updates are concerned, the iPhone 7 Plus currently supports iOS 14.3, and in my opinion it will still get iOS updates for the upcoming 2 years or so. So if you're into updates, then this phone will be future proof for around 1 to 2 years, so you don't have to worry about that. So on eBay you can get it for around $270 to $300 or above for the iPhone 7 Plus in good condition, and it's actually cheaper than the iPhone SE. Looking at the specs, it is still better in some cases, like you get a bigger screen etc than the iPhone SE. So overall, looking at design, performance, future updates and the price tag, most importantly, the iPhone 7 Plus in my opinion is still worth to buy in 2021 for those who can buy the iPhone 11 Pro, 12 Pro etc. And guys, I am personally using the iPhone 7 Plus for myself. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you want me to make a video on the iPhone 10, whether it is worth to buy in 2021 or not, also tell me about that in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.